How to fix sound problem on your TikTok. Welcome everyone to this video. Today I will give you the best solution to fix this issue now on your TikTok. Let's do it. So open the settings of your mobile phone as the first step. Click next on apps option and search for TikTok. Click on TikTok like that and scroll right now this list. Click on storage. Click clear cache and directly back. Click here on force stop and click OK. So go to Play Store, update your TikTok right now, and then restart your mobile phone, and that's all what you should do. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and bye.